Welcome to a Wayfarer Way City 365, where each day brings a new adventure in a different city around the world. Today, we embark on a journey to the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, where samba rhythms, stunning beaches, and captivating culture await. Join us as we uncover the stories, sights, and flavors of this iconic Brazilian metropolis. Get ready to be enchanted by Rio's rich history, mesmerized by its breathtaking landscapes, and tantalized by its vibrant culinary scene. Let's dive into the heart of Rio de Janeiro and discover why it's known as the Cidade Maravilhosa, the marvelous city. Founded in 1565 by Portuguese settlers, Rio de Janeiro has a rich colonial history shaped by European colonization and indigenous influences. The city served as the capital of Brazil from 1763 to 1960, playing a pivotal role in the country's political, economic, and cultural development. Rio's history is marked by significant events such as the arrival of the Portuguese royal family in 1808, the abolition of slavery in 1888, and the declaration of the Brazilian Republic in 1889. Rio de Janeiro is celebrated for its vibrant cultural scene, exemplified by the annual Carnival Festival, one of the largest and most famous celebrations in the world. The city is renowned for its contributions to music, dance, and literature, with genres like samba and bossa nova originating here and influencing global culture. Iconic landmarks such as Christ the Redeemer, Sugarloaf Mountain, and Copacabana Beach have become symbols of Rio's cultural identity and draw millions of visitors each year. Cariocas, as Rio's residents are known, embrace a laid-back lifestyle characterized by beach culture, outdoor activities, and social gatherings. Traditional customs such as feijoada, samba dancing, and capoeira, a Brazilian martial art, are deeply incorporated in Rio's cultural fabric. Religious festivals like Festa de Iemanjá, honoring the goddess of the sea, and Festa Junina, celebrating the feast of St. John, reflect Rio's diverse cultural heritage and spiritual traditions. Visit Christ the Redeemer for panoramic views of Rio and its surroundings. Take a thrilling cable car ride to the summit of Sugarloaf Mountain for breathtaking vistas. Relax on the golden sands of Copacabana Beach, known for its vibrant atmosphere and lively beachfront scene. Soak up the sun and surf at Ipanema Beach, where the iconic Girl from Ipanema once strolled. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic beats of samba by attending a live show or participating in a dance lesson. Witness the spectacle of Carnival by visiting the Sambadrome or joining street parties during the festive season. Sample the rich flavors of Brazilian cuisine with a hearty bowl of feijoada, a traditional bean and meat stew. Explore the vibrant street food scene and savor local delicacies like pastéis and tapioca crepes. Rio's culinary scene is a vibrant fusion of Portuguese, African, and indigenous flavors, reflecting its diverse cultural heritage. Emphasis on fresh ingredients, bold spices, and hearty dishes that reflect the city's vibrant spirit. Feijoada. Indulge in Brazil's national dish, a hearty stew made with black beans, pork, or beef, and assorted meats, typically served with rice, collard greens, and orange slices. Coxinha. Treat yourself to this beloved Brazilian snack, a deep-fried croquette filled with shredded chicken shaped like a teardrop and often enjoyed with hot sauce. Experience the carnivorous delight of Brazilian barbecue at traditional churrascarias, where skewers of succulent meats are carved tableside and served with an array of side dishes like farofa, toasted cassava flour, and pão de queijo, cheese bread. Botecos. Immerse yourself in Rio's casual dining scene at botecos, neighborhood bars known for their relaxed atmosphere, ice-cold beer, and petiscos, small plates, such as bolinho de bacalhau, codfish fritters, and pastéis, fried pastries, filled with various savory fillings. Caipirinha. Savor Brazil's national cocktail, made with cachaça, a sugarcane spirit, muddled lime, sugar, and ice, resulting in a refreshing and tangy drink that perfectly complements Rio's tropical climate. Açaí. Cool off with a bowl of this antioxidant-rich superfood, made from frozen açaí berries, blended with guarana syrup and topped with granola, fresh fruit, and honey, offering a delicious and nutritious treat beloved by locals and visitors alike. Utilize Rio's extensive public transportation system, including buses, metro, and ferries, for convenient and affordable travel around the city. Consider using ride-sharing apps like Uber or 99 for additional flexibility and convenience, especially for late-night travel. Choose accommodation in popular neighborhoods like Copacabana, Ipanema, or Leblon for proximity to beaches, dining, and nightlife. Explore a range of lodging options, from luxury hotels and boutique guest houses to budget-friendly hostels and vacation rentals. While many locals speak English, it's helpful to learn some basic Portuguese phrases to enhance communication and show respect for the local culture. Consider downloading language learning apps or carrying a phrasebook for quick reference during your stay. Stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas and at night. Take common sense precautions such as securing valuables, avoiding isolated areas after dark, and using reputable transportation options. Show respect for local customs and traditions, including dressing modestly when visiting religious sites and asking permission before taking photos of individuals. While not mandatory, tipping is appreciated for good service in restaurants, bars, and taxis. Check if a service charge is already included in your bill. Protect yourself from the sun's strong rays by wearing sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat, especially when spending time outdoors. Stay hydrated in Rio's tropical climate by drinking plenty of water, especially during outdoor activities and beach outings. Familiarize yourself with the local currency, the Brazilian real, BRL, and carry a mix of cash and credit debit cards for payments. Check current exchange rates and be mindful of any fees associated with currency exchange or international transactions. As we wrap up our exploration of Rio de Janeiro on a Wayfarer Way City 365, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant tapestry of experiences this marvelous city has shared with us. From its rich history, shaped by Portuguese colonization, to its vibrant culture, infused with samba rhythms and carnival celebrations, Rio de Janeiro has truly left an indelible mark on our hearts. We've delved into its iconic landmarks like Christ the Redeemer and Sugarloaf Mountain, savored its culinary delights such as feijoada and caipirinha, and immersed ourselves in its lively street scenes and beach culture. Join us in celebrating the marvels of Rio de Janeiro, a city that never fails to captivate and inspire. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through Rio de Janeiro on a Wayfarer Way City 365. If you've enjoyed exploring this marvelous city with us, don't miss out on future adventures. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest travel guides, city features, and wanderlust-inducing content. Let's continue to explore the world together, one city at a time. Subscribe now and let the adventure unfold.